Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna take the big rock out. Pretty much stock electronics, 3S. I rebuilt the whole thing, put new bottom shocks on, got the hot racing pivot balls in it to get the steering a little tighter. I did put the Typhon 3S 17mm hubs on it. That's an easy fix, you know, so you get a little more options and tires. Got the hoons, you see. So we're just going to do a speed run. I also got a 26 tooth pinion in there. I had to file down the motor mount a little bit to make it fit, but we got it to fit. So I got the GPS on. It's showing 12 satellites. I'm gonna start, stop, read, track, start. It's showing on there. Let's turn this bad boy on. Make sure we got juice. It's showing we got signal. I did put my radio link on here because I do have a I wanted a gyro just in case. I haven't really driven this yet, just out in front of the house for testing. It got a little warm with that big pinion on there, and I was just, you know, spinning the tires out, having fun. So I know that's why it got a little warm. It was only like 130 or something like that, I think. But yeah, that's I think I put 50 weight in the shocks. Let's get her to go straight here. Oops, is that steering? Hopefully you guys can see this. I know it's a black truck. And I think I put 100. Oh, it's got no brakes. I thought it'd be a little faster than what it is. Oh! Okay, it gets up and goes. I think it's just gotta wake the battery up a little bit. Let's make sure this GPS is reading. Stop, read. Oh, 53 right here in the parking lot. And then it's still catching. Read it. So let's go track, start. Stop, read, records. Let's do, I know we got to delete a ton of these. Manage, delete, manage. It's probably 100 on here. I think I've deleted these in a long time. Oh no, okay. Delete, delete. Back. It's picking up. Let's say stop, start, stop, read, track, start. Out here at work in the morning before I start. Get out here before the rush of cars come. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, the hoons are slick, especially when it comes to the rocks. Let's drive on this side of the road, huh? Oh. Oh. All right, first curb. First curb of the day. Knew that was gonna kind of happen. That's just the way I am. Stop, read, 57. Okay, let's track, start, stop, read. Let's zero that out. Track, start. Okay, let's try that again. I'm just trying to hurry up and get a run in before cars start. I don't know if all the cars are to work yet or not. Oh wow. See, here comes a car right now. That's to the side. Oh. Man. Can't seem to get that. Woohoo! Let's see if we can turn the gyro up a little bit, huh? I guess we should see how hot this thing's getting. I think that's all we're gonna get out of it, guys, at 57. Bring her in and do a temp test, huh? Oh, I went through my legs, hit my foot, and just rolled over. First scratch. Oh man, this thing's actually pretty fun. Let's see what we got here, though, huh? There it is, picking up. Picking up on that car. Stop. Read. Yeah, 57. That's our max, guys. That's a 26 tooth. That's all I could fit in there. I guess I could file down a little bit more, maybe try to get a 27, but yeah. It's oh yeah, man, got my first scuff. Oh well. You knew that was gonna happen, right? You got a curb, got a rollover. Ah, motor's ice cold, guys. Man. What's this saying? 51 on the truck. 91. Yeah, this thing's super cold. 71. Let's see over here. 86. ESC's 86, 71. and battery. Yeah, it's all cool, guys. We're good. I think I'm just gonna leave the 26 tooth in there and go call it a good. I got the GPS right there. Put some Velcro, some Sherlock, and then I put a battery strap, little battery strap around it. So yeah, we're good, guys. Bash on. What? Oh, that hurt. That hurt. Man. Well, that's how you end the fun, guys. I don't think it did anything, but has like a little wobble to it though. Man, I just rebuilt those shocks. I hope I didn't bend them up. Man, big rock for the win, guys. I don't see nothing wrong with that bad boy. Everything's still there. Nothing popped off. I don't see nothing broke. Could be bent shocks, but I can't tell. They all seem to be sliding in nice and smooth. Let's see. I think we're good. All right, guys, after that one, you know, that'll be turned into a short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned. We're gonna, I don't know, we're gonna beat the crap out of this thing. So, yeah, guys, smash that subscribe button for me. Y'all have a good one. Peace out.